Hi, I'm Mark Grice. Today I'll be showing you how to wire in the solenoid reset cable into our JM series motors. So I'll be showing you how to wire in the solenoid reset cables, which is your blue, neutral, brown, live, yellow and green is your earth. This is the 230 volt to reset the solenoid once it's activated. So you've got three terminals on the PCB marked up LS, N and the earth. So you will put your brown wire into LS, your blue wire into N, and then the green and the yellow into the earth terminal. And that is your wiring complete for the reset. So I hope you found this video useful on the JM series motors. You can find more videos on our YouTube channel.